How do we expand 3x minus 12 times x plus 4? Well, it's the same idea as multiplying any two numbers. We multiplied 4 times 5. We know we could establish an array that is 4 dots wide, and we could have 5 layers. So the result is 20. So technically, it's like an area model where it's 4 by 5, that gives us 20. This is the same concept. It's just that these binomials have not been combined because there's a variable in there that keeps us from combining 3x minus 12. These two parts of this term cannot be combined, but we can multiply them the same way we can look at 4 times 5. If I have 3x minus 12 as one factor and x plus 4 as a second factor, this creates an area model with 4 quadrants. That's why this is called a quadratic. So if we multiply, begin down here, 4 times negative 12 is negative 48. Just like over here, 4 times 5 is 20. Here, 4 times negative 12 is 48. Now in here, it's going to be 4 groups of 3 x's. That's 12 x's. And then in here, it's x times negative 12. So that's 12 negative x's, or negative 12x. And then here, 3x times x. Well, x times x is x squared. So in this case, it's 3x squareds. Now, we're going to combine all of these parts, just like we combined all of these dots to get 20 dots. But here, we're going to combine 3x squared plus 12x minus 12x minus 48. And 12x minus 12x, that creates a zero pair. So these effectively cancel each other out. I'm left with just 3x squared minus 48. And depending on how the teacher wants you to show this expression, I could factor 3x squared minus 48, which means I can find the greatest common factor of these two terms, 3x squared and minus 48, and I know they have a 3 in common. So if I divide out that 3, I'm left with x squared minus 16 inside the parentheses. See, if I redid that, 3 times x squared is 3x squared, and 3 times minus 16 is minus 48. So this is equivalent to this. These are two ways of describing the same information, just as this is. Hope this helps. Thanks.